Hey everyone, and welcome back. In this video I will teach you how to create a Shopify store and add your products. Let me just adjust my settings. Alright, so first, to add a product, head over to your product section and then click on this add product option on top right side. You will see this kind of section open up. Add your title for the product and your description. Then you can simply add your media, upload your images, and you can upload from your own local storage as well. Then you have your category, then pricing and compare at price. If you want to add, like for example, 900, then it will be cancelled and 500 will be visible. Add your inventory, how much stock you have on hand available, how much is committed and unavailable. Then you have your shipping. You can add your shipping dimensions and country of origin, HS code and everything. Then you have your variants. So this is how easy it is to add everything, and click on save. That's how your product is added on Shopify in few minutes.